how to remove the Holden Cruze JH door panel. We will start off by removing the inner door mirror cover. This is only held on by clips, and with a plastic tool you can easily remove this one. Next, we're going to remove these covers where the door open handle is, and also where the door pull handle is. And then underneath these there will be torque screws. I believe they were T20. Go ahead and remove both of these screws. Next, what's holding the door panel in place is clips on the inside, and you'll need to get in between the door panel and the door itself. You can do this by hand, or if you have a clip remover tool, which I will show you, you just need to get in between. Or you can use a tool like this, which is just a plastic tool, and this is the clip remover. If you don't have this, you can just go in there with your hands and just pull first the bottom part of the door panel out first, and then slide it upwards to detach it from the window sill. And then one thing is, the clips that are on this door panel, make sure they are on the door panel. So if there's any left on the door itself, remove them and put it on the door panel, as it makes refitting much easier. After you lift it upwards to detach from the window sill, all that's left to do is to unplug the window switch and then detach the cable for the door open handle cable. I apologize for the recording, but due to the angle of the camera, it went portrait and not landscape.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.